Hey everybody, welcome back. If this is your first time to the channel, my name's Ethan and I'm glad to have you here. This is actually part 1 to a 2-part video, so hit the subscribe button so you can catch that second video when it hits. So let's get ready, grab a snack, and let's get to it. Today we're going to be discussing this stuff. Water. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing? We look at this water and we see playfulness, we see beauty, we see water that has fallen from the sky and gathered into one place. And that is amazing. But what's more amazing is what Jesus says at the well in John chapter 4. So let's get into that passage. Jesus said, "Everyone who drinks this water will be thirsty again and again. Anyone who drinks the water I give will never thirst, not ever. The water I give will be an artesian spring, gushing fountains of endless life." So what exactly does that mean? I'll tell you what it means. Jesus isn't talking about this blue stuff behind me. He's talking about spiritual water, spiritual life. It's wisdom from God. It's the love He provides to us. It is faith. Jesus talks about water as a relationship with God. We have the opportunity to have a relationship with God where we can love Him every day and He can love us. That opportunity tells us that we can live without fear, without imperfection in our life, without the worry of sin, without the worry of guilt, without the fear of Satan. So take part in that living water because Jesus has given it to you so that you may partake in it and that you can walk through each and every day taking part in that and showing it to others. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it in the comments, or if you have had struggles in the past or in your current situation with taking part in this living water. Also subscribe if you want. There will be more to come. I am so happy to have you here, and God bless. Thanks for coming.